Hello everyone. Every tip I'm going to share in this video has been verified here in the shop, so don't worry, this can be fixed. The check charging system message in a Toyota can be a little scary the first time it shows up because it feels like your hybrid or regular car is trying to give you an electric shock. But according to mechanics, most of the time, it's not as serious as it seems. Sometimes it just appears when you turn the key or press the start button before the engine is running, and disappears as soon as the car starts. Basically, the system is doing a quick check of the alternator and battery before everything is active. Other times, the message appears while driving or when starting the car, and that's when you should pay attention. The first thing many recommend is to check the battery. Not just the hybrid one if you have a Prius, but also the standard 12-volt battery. If it's low, the system can trigger the warning even if everything else is working fine. Many forum users report that replacing or recharging the 12-volt battery made the message disappear immediately, like nothing had happened. Another common detail involves the alternator and its connections. Even if the alternator is fine, loose, corroded cables or dirty fuses can confuse the system and trigger the message. Some people who thought their alternator was dead discovered that just cleaning or tightening the cables brought everything back to normal. So often, the problem isn't expensive parts, it's just overlooked connections. Some owners also notice the message appears intermittently and goes away after a few seconds, or after driving a little. This happens because some electronic modules take time to initialize, and the system can give a preventive warning that doesn't indicate a serious failure. Several Prius and Camry owners mention that with patience, gentle driving, and letting the system stabilize, the message goes away on its own. Finally, mechanics agree that if the message appears continuously while driving or the car won't start, it's time to test the battery and alternator with a voltmeter and make sure the cables and fuses are in good condition. The good news is that most of the issues reported by users have relatively simple solutions and don't require replacing the entire battery or alternator all at once.